Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is off. This prevents resets or shocks. Once done, disconnect the negative battery and wait 2 to 5 minutes so capacitors discharge. Now, find the PED module and the backup harness access. This is where the fault often hides. You'll remove minimal trim, do not force clips. Make sure to have a basic multimeter and the replacement connector ready before proceeding to the next step. You'll now diagnose the issue by checking voltage on the PED power, ground, and signal lines. A steady 12V and good ground tell you the supply is fine. Once confirmed, inspect connectors visually and with a lighted magnifier for corrosion, bent pins, or loose crimps that cause intermittent backups. Use contact cleaner on dirty terminals, dry fully, and gently straighten pins or replace the connector if necessary. This removes the common reassemble trim carefully so wiring is not pinched. Then reconnect the battery and run a full function test of the backup system. If the issue persists, swap in a known good PED module if available, or pull body control module error codes to identify deeper faults. Make sure to clear codes, retest, and monitor for recurrence. Troubleshooting tip. If intermittent backup continues, log conditions when it fails and check for loose chassis grounds or shared harness damage. Those often mimic module failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.